celery.
Okay, what'd you do?
Celery,
pineapple and orange. Pineapple, orange.
green onion,
Shallots.
carrots. That's it. And I put a little bit of olive oil.
Did you put Maggie? Is that what I'm
Not
smelling?
yet.
Well, what's the extra spice? There's something else I'm smelling. Or that's from the peas that you're cooking over here, right?
I don't know what you smell is.
Count down.
It's just the thing's cooking. It's just not cooking. How much water is this, do you think? 2 cups, 3 cups?
2 cups.
And then you have the bread. You put
Not with the white bread.
with this bread, right? The potato rolls. And then what are you going to do after that?
I'm going to wait for them. And I'm going to add the...
Just the bread?
Not the bread. I made it Maggie that.
It's up here. That's just the one that you shake. No, I mean like you shake it in there. Let me see.
Okay, I'll be some African.
No, she doesn't want. I think I might have this instead of raisin toast.
What? A Pop-Tart?
Oh, we had the Pop-Tart?
So, is this a toaster?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Move it in, please. You gonna put it on too?
Okay, let's put the Pop-Tarts back, Aiden. It's not on. Because when we hear it pop up, that way it's waiting. Wait, why can you do that? Now it's going to be salty.
No, it's not. For the
Yeah,
bread?
it's a soup.
Yeah, you
Bread
want
soup.
it to be soggy.
Oh, bread soup. Oh.
Yeah. Girl, it's the bomb. Much better than chicken soup. But you can add chicken if you want to.
Yeah.
Look.
Cook chicken, you can cut it.
YouTube? Now look at this.
Look, that's the only reason why I'm recording right now. But sometimes it's because, well, this is for my grandma, so the bread is going to be really, really soggy, which is good for her because her teeth, you know, for her teeth. But regularly you would put like a hard French bread and you let it soak and then you put it in there. Which I guess is the same thing. But it's, I guess the flavor from the French bread might be a little bit better than this bread, you know? I wonder if you ever put Hawaiian bread in. That'd probably be too sweet. You just let it boil down. It's gonna be a quick video. So what other spices could you, I mean, what kind of other vegetables could you add to it?
You can add peas. You can add potatoes. No, not potatoes. Not potatoes. No, peas, carrots.
Lima beans?
You can do lima beans.
I'm just asking because a lot of
But
people.
you know, I don't like it too much. I like it with celery and carrots.
Yeah.
And then some people put down spaghetti.
Yeah.
Spaghetti and straight.
Yeah. Because then it's sort of kind of like the jumu, right?
Mm-hmm.
And there's onions, there's shallots. Would you put shallots and onions in it?
It's shallots. She doesn't like onions.
She doesn't like onions. Because I remember when I made it with onions. The first time I made it. First time I made it was really good. The second time I made it, because I was like, well, let me see what it tastes like with the...
Wheat bread?
No, with the tomato paste. I was like, oh, it was nasty.
Yeah. You can put V8 if you have V8.
I just didn't like that thing.
That's it.